Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn the new lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 8, lesson number 4, Excel. Dear students, in school you have a daily timetable of subjects. Sometimes you also prepare a table of marks scored in each test and calculate the total marks, percentage, average marks scored in each subject, etc. In Windows, all this can be easily, quickly and accurately done in Excel. Excel is a part of programs called spreadsheets or worksheets. In an Excel worksheet, data is displayed in the form of rows and columns. Besides, there are several tools that help in easy and quick entering of data, speedy and accurate calculation of totals, percentages and averages. First of all, we will learn how to start Excel. Dear students, on the taskbar, click on Start button to see the Start menu. On the Start menu, point to All Programs. You will see a submenu. Scroll down the list of programs till you see Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Office to see a list of programs in it. On the list, click on Microsoft Office Excel 2007 to open the Excel window. The Excel window is a worksheet which has rows and columns. There are rows from 1 to 65,536 and 256 columns from A to IV. The interaction of a row and a column is called a cell. Every cell in a worksheet has its own unique address. It is the row and the column in which it is found. For example, if a cell is found in column B and row 7, its cell address will be B7. Now we will learn about the Excel window. Title bar. At the top of the window you can see a bar, it is title bar. In the center of the title bar you can see the name of the program, it is Book 1 Microsoft Excel. On the left hand corner you can see Office button. Click on this button to open, save or print your document. The Quick Access toolbar has tools like Save, Undo, Redo and New, which are used many times in Excel. On the right hand side of the title bar, you can see three buttons. Click on Minimize to minimize the Excel window. The window disappears from the desktop. Now you can see only its icon button on the taskbar. To see the Excel window again, just click on the icon button on the taskbar. Click on Restore Down button to make the Excel window smaller. In the smaller window, this button changes to Maximize button. Click on Maximize to see the window in its original size again. Click on Close to close Excel. Dear students, if you place the mouse pointer over an icon for a few seconds, you will see a screen tip which show the name and function of that button. The second bar which you can see, it is menu bar. The menu bar has the following tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View. When you click on the tab, the ribbon below displays the related tools that help you work in Excel. For example, click on the Home tab. The ribbon below displays tools that help you to select the font style, alignment, editing tools and also tools to cut, copy and paste selected text. The menu bar also contains Minimize window, Restore window and Close window buttons, which are used to minimize, restore down and close the Activate window and not the Excel window. The Help button is used to get help for working in Excel. Name box. The name box displays the cell address of the active cell. Formula bar. The formula bar displays the contents of the active cell. Active cell. The cell with a thick black border around it, it is active cell. Column headers. An Excel worksheet has 256 columns from A to IV. Row headers. An Excel worksheet has rows from 1 to 65,536. Sheet tabs. There are many worksheets in an Excel workbook. Excel opens with sheet 1 as the active sheet. Status bar. The status bar displays the current status of the worksheet. On the right hand side of the status bar, you can increase or decrease the zoom level. Now my dear students, in this video we have learned how to start the Excel and windows of Excel.